Okay, so that is one lock barrel now with all five pins in, which is great, and it's coded to this key with the key in. Hopefully you can see that none of the pins are protruding on either side, apart from this one at the end. That is the one that keeps the lock barrel into the pannier. And when you remove the key, you can see as the different parts of the profile of the key come back out, the pins are all sitting now out the way, and that would be the lock in the locked position. And then if I put the key back in the lock, as if by magic, the mechanical part of the key pushes all of these pins internally up or down a little bit until they're all sitting flush. And then once the key's in, the lock barrel could rotate, allow you to lock or unlock or do whatever you're going to do. So in this particular instance, the winning combination was green in the first position, blue, yellow, and then red. Now if you're only doing one, that wouldn't really matter all that much. Because I'm going to do a second one, it'll make my second one slightly faster, because instead of doing trial and error 4 times in a row for 5 pins, I'll be able to just slot in the green, blue, yellow, red, double check it works, and that will be my second lock done. So that's the procedure for doing coded locks, as most people will call it, or keyed alike, some people will call it. On the Kawasaki, in this case a Versys 1000, but most other keyed alike systems are very similar, or just very slight variations on the theme. Okay, so now I'll do the next lock barrel, which is pretty much the same again. Comes as an empty barrel with the same different pin sizes, and as you can hopefully appreciate, that being organised in this job is very useful. Any job it's useful to be organised, but definitely you don't want to be mixing these up until you've until you've got the pins allocated. And even after you've got the pins allocated, I will store the red ones back in the red bag, the green ones back in the green bag, and so on. And it's okay to have these things left over. Kawasaki or any manufacturer really will give you enough pins that you can build this lock with 5 reds, 5 greens, 5 blues or 5 yellows. You'll always have some left over, and they give you a couple of spare springs as well. So that's not to be worried about. That's par for the course. Okay, see you soon.